guys, let's just unpack nazi indaba ze-Real Housewives of Durban. East Coast Radio had an interview with Sorisha. Sorisha besekhiphe igaxa ke lapha nazi indaba, although she's not necessarily saying, but ama-secretanyana reunion says it's going to be maybe aired in the next 2 weeks. They've done it and it's one already. Unama-shocker, they're coming. Uthi nibuke i-reunion until the end because there's going to be a shock. I mean, into engazenze kushoke laphana. It's just that note that was written to Nonku that made it crazy. Esekuhlangela ngisho ama-cameraman in the production there. She was going crazy. Abiya ihlafune le yancwadi and spit it out futhi again. Awubona nje Nonku went crazy shem. On the season finale. Barakaqali. It was just like wabheka amatafula mos. Kusakhona no sleep. And there was also the whole thing for Choguti, she's not coming. That's not shocking anymore because we've had those rumors Guti and Mini might not come. So yabona ukuthi shock mhlawumbe ngaze kuba ukuthi incwadi ayibhale ubani. Although abantu abaningi besola uMini, mina I'm just like, what if ibhale uJojo? You never know, guys. uJojo angayibhala le ncwadi after Nonku emdambile. Ibale le nto leyo. So I'm just like, you know what? Asazi. So for me, that's the only shock. Or they might give us mhlambe some scoops ngoNonku ngoba she's not gonna be there, or bazositshela ngoMini. And abantu basola uMini, guys, ukuthi wena ubhala la ncwadi. Yazi you're gonna be shocked. You'll find it's not her. To Sorisha uyacela abantu abangamkhombisi when she was I get Sorisha guys, when she was nodding off ngoba she was sleepy sort of, you know, and because they started shooting the reunion at 8 o'clock until the following day at 4 a.m. Cabanga guys. But it's nabazosibonisa into encane, like an hour of part 1, another hour maybe of part 2, but I don't think bazoba no part 3. I really don't believe that. Akuphelanga kamnandi. 2 people are said not to be coming, so we just like silinde noma yini. Sis appreciate her noma yini, although I always think the reunion takes forever, you know, to come or to be played. So she said it will air maybe in the next 2 weeks. She's like, she's asking ukuthi bangamvezi ngathi uyalala. Uyayicelela nje bandla. But uthi hayi sizoba shocked. Ayisicela ukuba shocked ke mhlandla. Silindile, sindawo. Uthi uSorisha in all the seasons, this is the first time she sees like such a big shocker. She's just like, what? Uthi she was shocked for days.